Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are doing well, and I hope you are ready for today's conversation. Today we're going to see a conversation between a father and a son. For learning speaking, please listen the sentence and repeat the sentence for yourself. Let's go.
Dad, how are you feeling today?
I am feeling well. Son, how are you?
I am feeling well too, and I am happy to have a walk with you, Dad.
I am glad to have a work with you too.
Daddy, after walking, what will we do?
Tell me, my lovely son, what would you like to do?
I would like to go somewhere they sell ice cream, and we eat.
Ha ha ha, my son. You really like ice cream so much.
Yes, Daddy, because ice cream is so tasty.
You are right. Even me, I adore it.
What shall we bring for Mom?
What do you have on your mind?
Mom prefers pizza.
Okay, son, we shall get for her a chicken pizza. How does it sound?
It sounds perfect.
So, shall we take a bus or a train?
Let's take a train. It's more comfortable.
All right, let's hurry up then.
Our family is blessed to have you.
We are also blessed to have a careful, understanding son.
Okay, thank you for listening the story, the conversation. I hope you understand it well and understand it very, very well. So let's see some new words which we saw in this story. Okay, we saw new words like tasty. Tasty, it means sweet, something which is sweet, something of eating which is sweet. Another one, we saw the word perfect. Perfect, it means very good. So when you say something is perfect, it means that thing is very good. And also we saw the word would. We use would for something we wish for. Like when you are wishing to have or to do something, you can use the word would. Like for example, you can say, I would like to go with you. So it means I am wishing to go with you. Yes. Thank you for following. Thank you for listening me. And please make sure you subscribe so that you can get everyday stories and you learn listening and also you learn speaking. And if there is something else you want more, something you wish more, please tell me in the comment. And don't forget to like and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. I wish you a wonderful time. See you tomorrow.